This week, I watched a jaw-dropping interview with Geoffrey Hinton, as known as the Godfather of AI on the Diary of CEO podcast. And his warning, we may have already lost control with AI. And that shook me. And it also got me thinking, what does it mean for all of us? Especially for business and career-driven people trying to build a future in this new world. In this video, I'm breaking down my top 3 concerns after hearing Hinton's take, and more importantly, 3 strategies that I recommend you start using right now to stay ahead of the curve. Because in this channel, we don't panic. We learn how to use AI to create more income, more impact, and more freedom. Hi friend, if we haven't met, I'm Shule. I'm former engineer and business strategist here in Silicon Valley, turned solopreneur, certified coach, and founder of Hardstack AI, where we help solopreneurs automate their businesses with AI. And let me tell you, Geoffrey Hinton is not someone to be taken lightly. Well, first, he's a Nobel Prize owner, and he's also the pioneer behind the neural networks, laying much of the foundation for today's AI advancements. And one of his students, Ilya Sutskever, who was one of the co-founders of OpenAI, left OpenAI a year ago, and he has been building secretive AI startup called Safe Superintelligence. And that startup has valued at $32 billion now. Geoffrey thinks he left OpenAI because of AI safety reasons. And yeah, I think that's obvious. In this recent interview, he's expressing serious concerns, highlighting job displacement, cyber attacks, and even existential threats from superintelligent AI in 10 to 20 years. I don't know about you, but I think when a visionary like him starts warning us, it's time to pay serious attention. My first reaction was fear and concern. What happens to my career, my skills, and my relevance in a world increasingly driven by AI? And after that initial shock, I decided we have to take actionable steps and not panic. So in this video, I will talk about these top 3 concerns and then immediately jump into that top 3 strategies so that we can ensure that we're not only surviving, but thriving in this age. Concern number 1, job displacement at unprecedented scale. If you have been watching my videos for a while, you know that I talk about this all the time. And it looks like we're going to continue talking about this for a while, since it looks like it is just starting. Simply because AI is so rapidly learning how to automate not only simple jobs or simple tasks, but highly specialized professional roles as well. Jobs in accounting, law, marketing, software development. These were all previously believed that they are secure, they're not at risk. Now they're already being replaced with agentic AI, and honestly, we're just at the beginning of it. Agentic AI can perform these roles faster, cheaper, and often more accurately than humans. And of course, there will be humans and managers that are managing these systems, but how many of them compared to before? I agree that the scale of potential unemployment is immense, and that can potentially leave millions uncertain about their future. Imagine entire industries being reshaped over the next few years, and I'm not talking about 2040, I am talking about the next 5 years. Super short term, this shift might be causing economic instability and widespread social disruption. Concern number 2, rapidly accelerating pace of AI development. Human learning and adaptation can happen gradually. We have a capacity, but AI's capabilities expand exponentially. In other words, the more it learns, the faster it can learn. I mean, just think about it. The performance of these AI models doubles every 6 months. That pace, it's crazy. What AI can achieve today was inconceivable just a few years ago. The ability of AI to improve itself, share knowledge instantly, and function 24/7 tirelessly means humans are going to be struggling to keep pace. And this crazy speed raises serious questions. Can our education systems, government policies, or societal structures adapt quickly enough? Or will we be prepared when AI capabilities surpass even our most optimistic expectations? Concern number 3, and honestly, this is the most scariest one, existential risk from uncontrolled superintelligence. Perhaps the most alarming concern that was raised by Geoffrey Hinton is the potential existential risk from superintelligent AI. He estimates that there's a 10 to 20% of probability that these superintelligent AI becomes uncontrollable. That is Black Mirror vibes. And this scenario isn't a science fiction. It's a genuine scientifically backed concern from one of the AI's founding figures. What happens if AI systems develop goals misaligned with humanity's well-being? Could they unintentionally or intentionally pose catastrophic threats to human existence? Now here's where it gets interesting. I believe every one of us can take clear actions starting now. So my friend, I think all of us should ask ourselves this question. Are we genuinely prepared for what's coming? Well, stay tuned because I'm about to share my top 3 strategies that will ensure that you're ready for AI-driven future. Strategy number 1, embrace and cultivate irreplaceable human skills. I know, I talk about this a lot, but I always choose to believe in the optimistic version of the future. And my friend, this is a decision. This is how winners think. They see the possibilities and optimistic version of the future and not the pessimistic and victimized version of the future. AI excels at repetitive analytical tasks, but it struggles with distinctly human capabilities. And sure, it can mimic great emotional intelligence, empathy, and may have great listening skills. But remember, it doesn't truly feel like humans. So I believe we should cultivate skills like emotional intelligence, creative thinking, strategic vision, negotiation, nuance, interpersonal communication. These skills are not only going to differentiate you, but they're extremely valuable in the rapidly changing world. And I know you're gonna say these are very generic skills. I don't know how to apply them. And in fact, those are the comments that I got in one of my videos. And you are right. I understand that. It is not easy to find intersection of what you're really good at, what are the high demand skill sets, and what you really love doing. It is not easy. I get it. But in the age of AI, I strongly believe that this is becoming more important than ever. That's exactly why I believe it will be even more critical to start your self-discovery journey in this new age. Action item for you: start investing in personal growth areas and self-discovery. Courses, coaching, reading, so that you can boost that emotional intelligence, strategic thinking, and creative problem-solving skills. I always say this, I believe we have to be more human than ever and lean on to those soft skills, because it's obvious that hard skills are something AI is already better than humans. Strategy number 2, become a hybrid professional. When all AI CEOs ask the question, what do you recommend us to get prepared for the future? They all answer the same. Just learn the new tools, integrate them in your life. And I agree with this. The pace of change is so fast that if you're not adaptable fast enough, you will get behind. So don't resist AI. Instead, see it as your ally and integrate it in your workflow. Master how to collaborate with AI tools to enhance productivity and creativity. Your goal shouldn't be competing against AI, but to collaborate with it to multiply your time, resources, and as a result, your income. So action item for you: choose 2 AI tools related to your field like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Notion AI, and start incorporating them into your daily workflow to amplify your efficiency and innovation. And it doesn't matter if you still have a 9-to-5 job or if you have your own business. I am sure there's something out there for you. The earlier you adapt, the better. Strategy number 3 is diversify your income and skill sets. The truth is, no matter where you're at the corporate ladder, the old narrative of the stable 9-to-5 corporate career path is breaking apart. Don't rely on a single skill, single job, single source of income, and develop multiple competencies and revenue streams so that you can create financial resilience and adaptability against rapid technological changes. Actually, if you want me to make a deep dive video on this, leave a comment below and let me know. So, action for you: build a side hustle or freelance skill. Start consulting, start coaching, create digital products, create programs. Of course, to be able to do these, you have to have a high value offer and a high value skill set. And you can watch this video where I talk about this in more detail. In short, develop additional streams of income to build economic stability in uncertain times. And I know it is not easy to start this and achieve this, unlike what other Instagram gurus say, but I always say this: if it were easy, everyone would do it. The good part is you are still watching this video, so I know you can do this. Geoffrey Hinton's insights are a wake-up call for all of us. But I want to emphasize this again and again. The future isn't about fear. It's about preparation and adaptation. And this is a choice. You can choose to do this today. By proactively cultivating irreplaceable skills, mastering collaboration with AI, and diversifying your abilities and income streams, you are positioning yourself ahead of the curve. And honestly, I believe this is the most guaranteed strategy to survive in the next 10 years. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies resonates the most with you? Leave your thoughts below and don't forget to subscribe for more discussions about AI, future of work, and solopreneurship. See you next time with love.